In this video, I am going to show you how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. First, of course, you have to log into your Roblox account. And as you can see, I am currently using Google web browser. So here I can just play my Roblox. But of course, our tutorial is all about using two Roblox at the same time. So actually, you can just launch your Roblox application here. Go to your Roblox, open this one, launch your Roblox application, wait as it is connecting. Once done, all you have to do is to log in to your account. So as you can see, I am currently using Google web browser for my other Roblox account. I mean, my main Roblox account, and I am now using my Roblox application and I log in my other Roblox account. But as you can see, if I'm going to open your incognito browser, I can still log into my Roblox account. So that means I can use Roblox account in my web browser, my application, and using New Incognito. So that's it. And you can actually click and select any game here. You can tap the green button using your web browser. You can tap the green button that says play using your Roblox application. And also when you're using your incognito, you can also play. You just have to tap the green button here. So that's how easy it is to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.